Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering off the switch and removing the controller. This prevents inputs while you work. Once done, open the case using a small screwdriver, keeping screws organized so reassembly is exact. Use compressed air to blow out dust around the joystick pivot and dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl 90% plus to gently clean the base of the stick. This removes grime that causes drift. Make sure to avoid pouring liquid directly into components. Now inspect the joystick board and ribbon cable. You need to know whether drift is electrical or mechanical. Carefully disconnect and reseat the flex cable. Loose contact causes erratic movement. If symptoms persist, test the joystick with a multimeter or swap in a known good module to confirm failure. Once confirmed, remove the old stick and install the replacement, aligning the tiny tabs correctly. Tighten screws snugly, but not over-tightened, because stress can warp. Reassemble the controller carefully, reversing your earlier steps. Make sure each screw returns to its original hole so the casing doesn't flex. Once assembled, power on the switch and go to System Settings. Right arrow controllers and sensors to recalibrate the stick. This resets center values and often resolves residual drift. If calibration fails, test with another controller to rule out console issues. If you still see self-movement, consider warranty service or a professional replacement. Do not keep using a damaged stick, as it will worsen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.